Hi guys, today I'd like to share my review of Mt.Hood Village in Welches, Oregon. Beautiful area, beautiful campground. I mean, you have Timberline Lodge, you have the Columbia Gorge and Multnomah Falls. It's just a beautiful area. But I won't lie, despite this being a wonderful resort, I did have a couple issues here. First, the restroom and shower facilities. Now, it's nice that they have a little sauna in here. That's pretty cool. But the condition of the showers were just plain bad. And I guess when fellow campers see the paint peeling on the walls, that they treat their surroundings accordingly. They littered these showers. I mean everything. Wet towels, underwear, Coke bottles, you name it. It was in there. Now I appreciate that it's still COVID times and these campgrounds are understaffed. But if need be, I think the manager needs to at least once per week go into these showers and clean this place up. There just shouldn't be litter in the showers. But outside of that, I was really enjoying my stay here until my truck broke down. This happened on a Saturday and I couldn't get it into the mechanics until Monday. This, of course, was the day I needed to fly out of town to work a 3-week job. Now, I made every effort to communicate to the manager that this was going on, with the hopes that I'd still get my truck out in time to move my camper into storage. But guess what? The manager was off both Sunday and Monday. I had no way to communicate with him. In the end, my vehicles were stranded. There was nothing I could do but call the manager when I got to Florida. Now, the staff seemed to be very reassuring. They saw the events unfold and they felt that under the circumstances, the manager would let me off pretty easy. But I made the mistake of getting stranded during spring break, and I got dinged pretty good. I didn't feel like he was very empathetic, but it's possible that he did the very best he could to get me the best discount rate. So all that said, surely I'm going to give this park a bad review, right? Not a chance. Not a chance. It's a wonderful park. I had a great time here, and I'm just being honest. My overall experience here was very positive. I would definitely come back to Mt.Hood Village. Now, this campground is an Encore Park, which means that if you're a Thousand Trails member, you can get the add-on membership, the Trails Collection, and stay here for up to 2 weeks. If you're interested in Thousand Trails or the Thousand Trails collection, please do me a favor and go to my description page and call my contact there. Okay, that's all I got for now. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.